Para pinagbabaltaan. So ngayon guys, ito yung binili ko at papuntayin natin sa second C. Today we will try to make it to second and third. Probably not today, but some other day to third. But my goal today is just to make this account to second C. Because about this and then I'd never grind it. I just can't that kid. So let's level it up till second C and then we're gonna try to get Buddha. So hopefully if I got on Buddha, I will log in my other account. My main account to this thing and then I get it. Okay, I don't care. But today, okay, I roll the fruit. Pala. Whoa, a second seat out. Just proceed. So this account just work like Robux cause I have to buy some utensils by the way. He is using Spike. Just strike one and then he don't have a sword or a bro literally can roll a fruit. That's a good one. Bro, like aura man. Aura, you don't have that thing. Bro, what the this just an basically there is nothing except for this fruit over there. And accessories and it's low and then don't have a good he don't have a good fruit. Okay. I'm starting to crash out. Okay, but let's put my stats on fruit. Defense. Where? Have enough energy save. It's probably a pain that will happen to me because another account took me a whole year to get to the second C without cheats. Actually, I used cheat in half of, half in the. Oh, okay, I forgot. Okay, mga characters of Black Pro. But I used cheat in half of my. I used cheat. Oh, for that, I'm not using that. But I used cheat when I was in the second. I just realized there was cheat. So yeah, and then I used cheat in half of the third scene. And then I quit using that. Actually, I wasn't supposed to quit. I wasn't supposed to quit, guys. Because, man, I cannot grind. And then I got on Buddha grind. Okay, I didn't get Pashita, by the way. I get Yama. And some of the things that I have earned today is nice. So, without the cheat, I would be probably accomplishing nothing. Like my Buddha awakening. I didn't use it. Oh no. So yeah. So two people that plays Blox Fruit nowadays never use cheat, man. Nothing could lead you nowhere. Just AFK without even learning the game. How is it processed like that? Yeah, how is it work? What's the best item to drive? Of course, I'm not gonna say so. Learn about it for those newbies that use it. Swipe niya. Okay. Okay, by the way, I forgot I am super low, but when you look at my yo, what the hell? Oh, that's my account, by the way, and now I'm using nothing in the dog leg, and it's a big flex. By the way, what the hell? Okay, wait, let me see. Bro, you can see. Wait, what the hell? So by the way, if you search up people that is from global, you cannot see their build. See? Cannot search, what the hell? Cannot see its sword. Cannot see their sword and gun. Look! I have my sword equipped, okay? I am not. I equip my sword, man. Cause if I can get that sword, that combo, that sword, that combo. Okay, I'm way too. I'm saying too much. That. Oh. Let's get no. Zip, ziggy, ito'y letter. I like onion. Okay, what is the timer to this dude spawn? 1 minute, what the hell, bro, just spawned so fast. I remember I always farm that dude to get money. Now it's in the first sea. Bro, I was in Sky Island, I remember that. And then, when bro's gonna spawn, I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna come here and server up for money and then roll. Then do it again when I can, and then yeah. I'm doing a video. Dapat ako nag-English. Okay, why am I? So search up no, search long kit score. Okay, wait, gaming kit score. Okay, I don't know what bro, I got 2 max right now, bro, and then you know what will I do? What will I do? I will hunt down YouTubers, man, especially Divinity. It's my favorite YouTuber, and I want to get title. And he's the dude that made me chase Blizzard. So bro, I'm hunting you down, bro. Always remember that. Gaming, yeah. Probably sure I will try to hunt this dude down. If I can just beat them. Ano what combo siya next? I mean killer combo by the way. Yeah, 40. Not 50. No, switch. So 10 more levels and then we're gonna go back. We're gonna go to Sky Island, and after Sky Island, I don't know where to go. No return goes up. Let's just do one quest. Toy, do return. Bro, if I rolled something good today. Maybe today, if I roll something good like Buddha, I won't eat it. I would just give it to Mama and then I will eat it on my own. Yeah, basically I will do that thing. So, ayan yung pangalan ng tutor ko. Okay, let's just do the thing. Woo! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Bagal pala ito. Nalimutan ko. Hindi ko to account. Yung nakakabanos eh. Pag bumili kang account, ang pangit niya. Pangit talaga. Nakakabanos. So far, see, there's no problem on eating all of your food. But if if you're almost at second, you should not eat your food and learn the value and then trade for something good or just camp it or babysit Texas. Yeah. I will save up to get a new fighting style because combat is trash. No offense. Next. It's just trash. What the oh! We crashed like the asteroid from Dragon. No. Doing that. Rapin. Hard. Okay. Understood. Now what do we get? Sheesh! Phoenix! Okay, that's my first legendary. Let me that. I just rolled Phoenix, by the way. Should I ate it? Yeah, I need it. Bro's begging for it. Yo, I forgot. There is a max level over there. I'm gonna give it to Mom. Babe. Saan pwede ba yung tablet? May ka-transfer lang. So guys, we have I've gotten my sister tablet in this side, and I just rolling it, and we will give it to my main account, and then I will get the transformation class. Ice is trash. Okay, I'm sorry for all of the ice users who were watching me, but yes, ice is for trash for grinding. You got that soda. Bro, my true ship touch is trying to leave. Si Brani, papalit-palit ng pangalan. Search up ko na. A-R-A-L-L. Ano yun? Ano yan? R-E-L-L. Invite. Bro, where the hell is the invitation? Join you, alam mo ha. Yeah. Join you the first year then. I didn't expect. Yo. Bro is thinking that I will drop it to him. Bad expectation, man. Yeah, baby. We're in the first year, so not jungle, and then I'm using ice with awakening F. Of course, there's awakening of it. Remember it. Yeah, baby. Let's change line. So you will just sing. I am using Hollow Sight. Remember, I will show you that. Okay, wrong one. I pick Marine because it's made. Okay, this thing is full volume, by the way. Sorry for that. Yep, it is full volume. So I will change to it because okay, somebody's trying to PvP me. Jump! Bro, I'm way faster than you. Okay, hello there. And let me show you my hollow. So close. Oh, si Brandon. Napatay ako nito. Ay. Ano, hawak ako ng cellphone ko at drop ko na. There we go. We just got in Phoenix. What did brother say? Yo, what's up? What's up? So, Tagalog yan. Huwag kayo maniwala dyan. I just ate the Phoenix. Kulit nito. Naway mo yung ano ko. Alt ko. Ay nga pala hindi na ako nakapin. Malapit ka na yung transport. Malapit na. So, ito si Brandon ko. Naglead. Muli. Naglead. Kinawala na siya at balak ko kainin yung pero high mastery siya. Yung kulit eh. Ang kulit nitong ano to? Ang galing. Naka-cellphone pa si Mongoloid. Kulit nyo. Salamat hindi ako naka-ice. Okay lang. Ngayon. Nga pala may healing to, no? Ngayon, ang kulang na to. Hindi na palit na siya. Yeah. Mamaya. So, 35 yung master ko dito at 250 yung full transformation. I forgot I don't have stocks in my fruits. Yeah. Tulungan mo muna ako mag-raid. 3. So, puntahan ko kayo dyan, guys. Pero nandito pa rin ako. Hybrid flight lang ngayon. Okay, well, dahil may character up. Asan yung character ko? Ito. Kita niyo ako yan, ha? Diba? Kita niyo ako yan, ha? Ako yan, ha? Boom. Baby blade. Dito pa ba si Gonggong? Yan. Tulungan mo muna ako 3 raid. Tulungan. Tulungan. Ayaw sumagot na ano. Nagbibideo nga niya ako, mamaya ako. Lalaro. Basketball. Tulungan mo ko 3 raid. Character ko. Nga pala punta na tayo, friends. So, logout ko lang tong auto to, guys. Naya niya ang basketball lang aga-aga. Uy, por na pala nalimutan. O yan na ginagawa ko. Ba't ako nandito sa messenger? So, yeah. You got the to the log out anyway. Log out anyway. Dito sign in lang to, ah. Gay boy, cheeky about it, gay boys. So, Kachin Team, magpapamigay ako mga pets doon. Pamigay lang kayo, papabigyan ko kayo. Add nyo lang ako, username ko. Siyempre, kayo mga pets. Kakayanin nyo. Nga pala, wala akong stop. Kasi wala tayo stat dito. Naipit pa ako. Suksay kung sipa ako nakaganit. Ano sa sword eh? Dito. Ang dami na. Empty. What? Ray? Dito na yun. Nick Sakuro. Stealer. Okay, yes, my friend calling me. Let me go.